Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Rajendra. Today in this video we are going to learn about how to download and install Scratch in your computer. For that you need to open web browser. Here I have Google Chrome as my web browser, so I am using it. You can use any other web browser you like. Once you open your web browser, you need to type the URL of the Scratch website. You need to type scratch.mit.edu and hit the enter button. Once you hit the enter button, you will see this web page. Scroll down towards the bottom of the page and here you will find the resources options. Under resources option, there is one download option. Download. Click on that download option. Once you click on the download option, you will find choose your OS option over here. Here you can choose the operating system you are using. For example, you can be using Windows, you can be using Mac OS, Chrome, Android. Here I have Windows operating system, so I have chosen Windows. Now you need to scroll down and here you can see that direct download option. Click in this direct download option and your Scratch will get downloaded over here. Once the file is downloaded, you can go to downloads and you can see that your setup file has been downloaded over here. Now you can double click on it to open or to install the file, or you can right click on it and click on open option. Now you can choose anyone who uses this computer, that is all users or only for me. That means if you choose anyone who uses this computer, that means all the users that are in your computer, they can use this Scratch. So I'm choosing anyone who uses this computer and click on install option. And the system is asking whether you want to install or not. Click on yes. Now wait, the Scratch will be installed within few minutes. Okay, now you need to click on finish. But here is one checkbox, whether to check it or to uncheck it. If you want to run Scratch right now, you need to check it and click on finish. Now the Scratch is being opened over here. Now the Scratch window has opened and you can enjoy by creating the projects over here. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time. Thank you.